Welcome to an instant noodles factory, where noodles are made at massive scale. Instant noodles are partially cooked using controlled steam. Instant noodles are made primarily from refined wheat flour. Flour, water, and oil form the base of instant noodles. Consistent flour quality ensures uniform instant noodles. The dough rests so the flour absorbs moisture evenly. Each instant noodle block is formed with precise size and weight. Flour is carefully measured to prepare instant noodle dough.
The dough is rolled thin to create perfect instant noodles.
Cutting shapes the noodles into their familiar form. Each block is sized perfectly for instant noodles.
The wave shape helps instant noodles cook evenly.
Steam partially cooks instant noodles before drying.
Steam partially cooks instant noodles before drying.
After steaming, instant noodles move to drying.
Frying removes moisture from instant noodles.
Each instant noodle block is positioned for accurate packaging.
Flavor sachets are prepared for every instant noodle pack. Flavor sachets are prepared for every instant noodle pack. Flavor sachets are prepared for every instant noodle pack.
Noodle blocks are placed into their final packaging.
Noodle blocks are placed into their final packaging. Instant noodles are now fully assembled and sealed.
Instant noodles are stacked securely for shipping.
Instant noodles are shipped worldwide every day.
Instant noodles are stored briefly before delivery.
Instant noodles are enjoyed around the world.
In minutes, instant noodles are ready to eat.
This is how instant noodles are made at massive scale.
Subscribe for more factory process videos.